Welcome back. Today I'm going to be telling you about the best deals going on over at Walgreens for this week and how I got all of these items not only for free but made $9 buying it all. I'm not going to lie, this morning was really weird. I woke up a little bit later, and when I was finally doing the matchups for Walgreens, none of the coupons were applying. So I took a little bit of a break. I did a few other things around the house. Finally, the Walgreens system was back up and the coupons were attaching correctly, so I placed an order curbside. I went into the store to pick it up. I ended up grabbing a couple more items, and I'm going to share all of that information with you this morning, as well as, or I guess it's this afternoon, as well as some of the other food deals that I saw while I was at the store. I didn't buy them because I didn't need them, but I'll pop up pictures here on the screen to tell you what I saw. Now, if you're wondering where I've been, I did not do a Walmart Target haul this past week because it was spring break and I was spending some time with my son, as well as just kind of trying to take it easy and not work nearly as much as I typically do in a week. So that was lovely. We went on a little trip, like 2.5 days, but we had a really good time. And I wanted to share like a couple of things with you guys, kind of like updates. Saving money is something I do not just on Sunday mornings, not just at Walgreens, not just with groceries. Like, my mind is just programmed to get the best deal no matter what I'm doing. So when we took this trip, there were 2 different passes that I paid for that I think are an incredible value. So I want to tell you about them. One is the Get Out Pass. So tons of different cities have this pass, and that's why I talk about it first. You go to their website, and I'll drop it down in a link below. Pick the city you're visiting, the city you live in. You'll see all the different places that you can use that pass at. When you purchase that one pass, you can use it at all of these different locations. And my son and I both have a pass. I purchased 2. And so we got into a lot of the stuff we did over the last few days for just that initial price. I don't want to say for free. Yes, we did get in for free, but we had purchased that initial pass. So when you're on the Get Out Pass website, you're going to see a coupon code. Now that's going to give you a discount. Delete that one, put in my name, Christina. That's going to give you an even better deal. So that's the highest discount that they offer is with that code, Christina. So when I took their code out, put my code in, it ended up taking another $5 off. So definitely check that out. We did a number of different museums. We've done golf, we've done the zoo, we've done putt-putt golf, we've done laser tag. I mean, so many things. And I want to say for where I live, the pass was $45 after my discount. And some of the items are like quarterly, so you can go once a quarter. It's not just one time per pass. So definitely check out the Get Out Pass if you're interested for spring break or for summer. I've loved it, and I like to use things and try things before I tell you guys about it. So that's one I can highly recommend. The second one is called the Pogo Pass. Now, this one isn't in as many cities, but it's a fantastic deal, and they have lots of great places. I think we went to 3 or 4 different places on the Pogo Pass, like the Dr. Pepper Museum, the Mayborn Museum. We went to this Pioneer Farms place, all super neat. Again, use the coupon code Christina for that best possible discount. You just have to look at the different passes, see which one makes sense for you and your family, but each person would buy a pass and then you can each use it at the venues that you're going to. I'm always worried they're going to be like, I have no idea what you're talking about. But I've used my passes at a number of different places, and every single venue I have had no issues. So love those passes. Check them out if you're interested. Second thing I want to remind you of or tell you about, you know on Rakuten how Walgreens had gone away? It's back. So 2% cash back at Walgreens on Rakuten. So if you've gotten out of the habit of going through Rakuten first when you place your curbside order, get back into that habit. If you are brand new, you have never used Rakuten before, I can show you how to score all of these products for almost a $40 moneymaker. So what you do, click the link below. So new Rakuten members with my link, when you spend $30, you're gonna get $30 back in your account. So a ridiculously amazing offer for new Rakuten members. It's completely free to use Rakuten. You just shop through there and you get cash back. So check that out if you haven't already. Let me jump into the deals I did this week. Then I will show you how I put them together for my spend 10. I wish. Spend 50, get $10 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster. I also did a spend 30, get 10 on the Fetch Rewards app. So stay with me. I promise I'll make it make sense. Let's start by talking about the Scott paper towel or toilet paper deal. They are buy one, get one half off. These guys are $5 to begin with. So one's going to be $5, one's going to be half off at $2.50. That's $7.50. Look for your $1 digital coupon in your Walgreens account. That will drop your price down to $6.50 at the register. Then submit your receipt to coupons.com where you get $1 back for buying the second one, dropping your final cost down to $5.50 for both, or just $2.25 each. Again, stay with me. I will show you how I put it all together with that spend booster. Another great deal on CoverGirl, moneymaker deal using Ibotta. You want to pick up 2 of the eyebrow pencils at $3.59. One of the blushes at $5.69. Now you can do this any way you want. I'm just showing you how I did it. They are buy 2, get 1 free. So we're going to pay for the expensive one. We're going to pay for one of the eyebrows. The other eyebrow is going to be free. I had a $2 digital for a face product. I had a $2 digital for an eye product. So I paid $5.28. There is a $2 rebate for each of these on Ibotta. So I got $6 back immediately on Ibotta, making my final cost free. But I also submitted to the coupons.com app for this eyebrow pencil that I didn't have a coupon for. So it should be completely free and a $2.72 moneymaker. Even without submitting to coupons.com, it's completely free if you have those other coupons and the Ibotta offer. As always, double check your apps before you do any of these deals because you need to make sure you have these offers before you do the deals. Now, when I was in store, I noticed a number of items on clearance. I'll include those pictures at the end of the video, but the A&W root beer, the Nice brand, as well as the grape soda, they were marked down to 15 cents. There were a ton of them at my store. I only picked up one. We don't drink soda, but I wanted to be able to show you what the products looked like. I'll also include some pictures at the end of the video. So that was one of the things I grabbed in store. Now, let's talk about the Astapro. So I think this coupon is from last week. Don't quote me on it, but if you didn't use it, you can pick up this Astapro at $14.99. There's a $7 digital coupon in the Walgreens account. Also, my Fetch Reward had $5 back on the adult 60 count or higher. So that made this just $2.99. I picked this up because it helped me get to the $50 that I needed to spend for that $10 back in Walgreens Cash. Now, on Fetch Rewards, there is a deal for spend 30, get $10 back, and there are a number of different brands included. Axe, Dove, Dollar Shave, Nexus. Just pull up the app, make sure you have the offer. In my app, it says it's only good for receipts dated through March 20th. So that means this deal would end on March 20th, which is Monday. So if you're watching after this, 100% check your app because I don't know if they're going to extend it. So what I did is I put together the spend 50, get 10 for my Walgreens booster, as well as the spend 30, get 10 for my Fetch Rewards offer. Now, I wasn't sure if that 30 for Fetch was going to be before coupons or after. Typically, my Fetch will pick it up after coupons, but other people swear up and down theirs picks it up before coupons. Mine did, in fact, pick it up after coupons, so I ended up buying a couple more items, and I'm going to tell you exactly how it worked. So in my cart, these are the items online that I put in my cart for curbside pickup. 2 of the toilet papers, the 2 Dove, and I got these specifically because of a shop kick offer. The eucalyptus, okay, this is the eucalyptus shampoo and conditioner. And then I got the Fresh Clean shampoo and conditioner. I picked up the Dollar Shave Post Shave Cream. So this was $6.99. The post-shave cream was $6.99. The Dove was buy one, get one half off, so $6.99 and $3.24. And then I picked up 2 of the Fancy Axe. These are $7.99 each, okay? I also did the Astapro. I told you that was $14.99 with the $7 digital. And the CoverGirl products. So that's everything I put in my cart. I had not purchased the Axe yet, okay? So hopefully you're staying with me on that. My cost was over $60. You only have to be over 50 for if you have that spend 50, get 10. But I jumped up over 60 just because that's what I had in my cart. Now, I had the $7 Astapro digital. I had a $3.50 digital for the Dollar Shave. I had a $4 digital for the 2 Dove. That $1 digital for the Scott, the $2 digital for the eye on CoverGirl, $2 digital for the face on CoverGirl, the $7 digital on Axe. That might be a just for you, so make sure you have that one, the $7 digital here. I also used the coupon code BABYAC, which took off $2.68. I've heard that Sorry 15 is also working, but I used BABYAC and it took another $2.68 off. So my total that I paid out of pocket was $38.15. I know that's a higher out of pocket than some of you will prefer, but that's how I did it. I paid $38.15 out of pocket. It was a curbside order. I got back $10 for spending $50. I got back $4 in Walgreens cash for buying 2 of these Axe products. I got back the $5 on Fetch for the Astapro. I got back the $4 on Axe for buying 2 Axe deodorants. I got back the $6 on Ibotta for the CoverGirl products. I got back $2 on coupons.com for the other CoverGirl product I didn't have a coupon for. I got back $1 on coupons.com for the Scott. And then I got back $9 on Shopkick for buying the Fresh Clean, the Eucalyptus, as well as the Axe Fine Deodorant counted for that fine fragrance offer. That made all of that free and a $2.85 moneymaker. Now, I was just $6 short for that $10 for spending $30 on Fetch. Okay, remember I said I didn't know if it was before or after coupons. So apparently mine wanted me to spend $30 after coupons, not before. So I thought, well, shoot, I'll pick up 2 of the Axe body washes because, now I did this in store. These were $5.49 each. I picked up 2 of them. Now, they were buy 2, get $4 in register rewards. I had a $5 digital. So I paid $5.98 for this and then submitted my receipt to Fetch where I got the $10 back for spending $30. I also got back $2 on Fetch for buying 2 of these. And I got back not a $4 register reward because that sucker didn't print. So they gave me $4 in Walgreens cash, making it completely free and a $10 moneymaker. Holy cow. So amazing deal. I know that is a lot of details. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. You can do this deal so many different ways. If you have the spend 30, get 10 on Fetch, as well as any type of spend booster. If you have the spend 25, get 7, that will work. If you have a spend 40, get something that will work. I just had the spend 50, so that's why I put everything together the way that I did. So hopefully I explained that as clearly as possible. I know there's a lot of moving pieces there. If you have questions, let me know. Now, the olives are still on sale. The canned olives are $2.99. Buy one, get one free. Getting $1 back on Ibotta, that would make them $1.99 for both. I noticed the Jif Natural Peanut Butter, the little ones, are $2.99, so that's basically what I would pay at Walmart for those. But if you like using your Walgreens cash or your register rewards, that's a decent deal this week. I noticed the Ritz crackers are 2 for $7, decent deal this week, as well as the Green Mountain K-Cups and the McCafe K-Cups are $5.99 for a 12 count. Again, that rivals my grocery store or Walmart. It was a better deal on both of those. So that was a lot, but it ended up being, I think I said it was like a $9 moneymaker. I think it was actually closer to a $12 moneymaker. I'm going to do my math one more time. I had forgotten about the $4 register reward. It didn't print. Who knows why? Let me know if your register rewards are printing. But they did give me the Walgreens cash instead because they said their Walgreens register rewards had not been printing lately. That's a courtesy. They don't have to do that. They can make you call or submit your ticket to Catalina to get that back. I don't mess with that because my time for me is more valuable. So if that happened to me where they're like, oh, sorry, you didn't get your register reward, I would then just have to decide, do I keep it or do I return it? And I don't have any problem returning something if it didn't work out the way I thought it was going to. But this week, even though it was delayed, it still ended up being a fabulous, fabulous week. This week coming up, hopefully it's good. I know it's going to be a busy week with coming back from spring break, but I am back and you should see more videos from me coming soon. Thanks.